ukhona ubunzima esiphila kubo singabantu kulomhlaba. Kumele sihlale kuThixo, kunzima kulomhlaba esiphila kuwo. Kumele ulandele iphupho lempilo yakho, kodwa hlala kuye uthandaze, konke kuzolunga empilweni. My destination is now. My destination is now. I try to close myself in your presence, my Lord, because my destination is now. No matter what can people say to me, but I will keep on praising your name to reach my destination. Yeah, destination is now. Hey, ngihlala kuwe Nkosi yamazulu, Thixo wami. Hey, destination is now. Hey, destination is now. Yeah, is now. I try to close myself, to close myself in your presence. Yeah, destination is now. Yeah, is now. I try everything in my power to keep myself next to you, my Lord, because my destination, my destination, yeah, 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 my destination is now. Ngikhetha ukuhlala kuwe, wena Nkosi, ngoba konke Baba kukuwe, kukuwe esandleni zakho Baba. Ngibeka impilo yami Thixo wamazulu. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, is now. Yeah, my destination is now. Is now. Yeah, can be Zanan. Funana Meko. I try to cover myself in your presence. Yeah, but you are Jehovah. Hlala nikuye, kulungindlela zenu, nami ngilungisa yami. Yeah, my destination. I try everything in my life. It's now. I try to close on myself.
I try to close on myself in your.
Yeah, my destination, is now. Whoa, 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 destination is now. I try to close on myself in your presence.